Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today gonna be real simple, y'all. We making some marinated cheese. It's like a hors d'oeuvre or like a little snack or whatever. I like little stuff like this. It's real simple, it's nothing to it, so let's just get into it. So I have 1 block of mozzarella cheese, y'all, and I just diced it up. So y'all, I got these pickles. I'm gonna just dice some of these up. And so y'all, you can actually do like a cup full. So y'all, we got these bite-sized salami ones. I am gonna cut these a little bit smaller. Okay, y'all, we got some of these olives. Oh, heck no. I'm gonna just chip my fucking tooth. Okay, y'all, we took those olives back out because apparently they had these seeds in them. I had no idea. So I took them out and just cut around the seeds. Y'all, we got artichoke hearts. I'm about to slice these down. Do a rough cut on those. We ain't gonna do too much. Take that hard shell off the side. So what I like to do is peel this hard shell around the side because it's a little bit harder than the rest. Then you can just cut it. A little Italian, some black pepper, y'all. Some red wine vinegar. Some olive oil. Some Olive Garden Italian, whatever Italian y'all got. And we're just gonna toss this little around. Now obviously y'all can make a bigger bowl than this for more guests. But honestly y'all, I'm finna eat this myself. So you wanna let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then you wanna serve and eat it, y'all. With some crackers or something. I got some Ritz. I'm gonna just do some Ritz. Y'all could also use some tomatoes. Some of those like cherry tomatoes y'all can put in here. Man, it'll set it off though. This is really good. So y'all, this is a little snack. If y'all wanna serve it when y'all have guests or something like that with some fruit or whatever. This is perfect. So I just wanted to show y'all a little snack that I just got up on and I love it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn. So this is what I'm doing, y'all. Put it on this cracker right here like this. And smash it. So good. Every bite has to have some cheese.
Hit that subscribe button!